Hello and welcome to a new video. This time, shit keeps breaking. A look into built-in obsolescence. I can say that word. If you're enjoying these subjects, you should be sure to check out my blog and check out my nonfiction books, the American Outback series, available on Amazon. Both links are in the About page. And videos now are being done on Tuesday instead of Wednesday because of a scheduling change at work. Oh, and I got t-shirts for sale. Do you like funny, thought-provoking t-shirts? Then you should go to my website, monkeyboner.com, spelled just like it sounds. Doc Martens were what made me aware of this thing called built-in obsolescence. Like any good fashion victim in the 90s, I wore Doc Marten boots and I loved them. I loved them up until when I bought a pair in 2012 and they wore out after several months. And it's really? These things used to be really good. Why are they wearing out? Have you noticed this? I mean, I'm sure you have examples too. Nissan used to make some of the most reliable cars on the road, but after 2000, the quality started to go downhill. They started to have more problems. Like I said, I'm sure you have a lot of examples as well. Whatever the reason, it's a thing. And we're guilty of buying into it. We want cheap things. We buy a bunch of crap at the, box stores and the dollar stores. Like those frying pans, with the toxic black stuff, the non-stick stuff. You buy one, and after less than a year, that stuff starts chipping off, and you got to throw it in the landfill. But it's not a big deal because you can buy another one for like $10. Built-in obsolescence. Our grandparents, they fix things. They didn't throw the washing machine out. They repaired it. Because things were made, they were easier to repair back then. Cars, washing machines, whatever. And our grandparents, they fix things. That was the cultural norm. Now the cultural norm is go to Walmart and get a new one. And I'm trying to break that trend. I'm trying to think along the lines of repair, not replace, and buying things secondhand. And the things I'm buying, I intend to spend more money, have less things, but have the few things I have be of higher quality. Hold on, let me show you this knife. This knife is freaking awesome. This is my one kitchen knife, and I spent like $60 on it. It was normally $100. It was marked down, and this thing is just, I love it. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have like a total of 3 pans, but I'm going to spend some money and buy stuff I can keep the rest of my life. Or maybe I'll find these things, these higher quality items, secondhand. It's hard, for us working people to go out and spend $100 on a pan or a knife. But in the end, it's less stuff in the landfill. And not just buying into this curse of built-in obsolescence. Once again, thank you for being here, and be sure to check out the blog if you like this topic.